Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing another Dragon Ball Super Dragon Star action figure. And you know the other one, like Goten's. Pretty sure it's my last video that I did. I finally, yeah, that was a huge disappointment for Goten's. Hopefully this one doesn't disappointment like this hair of Goten's. Very heavy. Disappointment. Whew. And, yeah, and I finally got the, schedule for the videos. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and, Sunday is when I'm going to do the videos. Now, for reviews and stuff. If I don't do videos because I had no action figures to review and stuff. So, yeah. So, let's get to the figure of Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta. That's what we're reviewing today. Oh my gosh. Very nice background in the box and stuff. We got the lighting and stuff. You can see Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta right here in Dragon Ball Super. Ooh, I don't know. Icon or something. Can't say it. The Dragon Ball Super logo right here, and then Dragon Star logo and stuff. Series. And, you get normal Super Saiyan, this is Series 13. Normal Super Saiyan Goku, Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta, the one we're reviewing. Piccolo, Super Saiyan Gohan, Teen Gohan. Krillin, Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta. There's not really any information here. But you see the bottom three right here is season 14. This is season 13, so yeah. Forgot to mention that. Aside, nothing really, just the logo and stuff. Get to see Vegeta's name there. Nice, once again, nice, metallic stuff there. I'm gonna open this up. So how you guys at day been? Okay, let's start. Hopefully you guys' day has been good. Can't cut this thing for some specific reason. There we go, I got it. Open now. Nope. Take that back. No, I'm never gonna open. Can't get a casting box open. I keep forgetting about tapes and stuff. Man. Tapes. Yeah, there we go. Now we got that. Yeah. There we go. Got it open. Who am I kidding? This is probably going to be the shortest video I ever done. Because the Dragon Star action figures aren't... I'm not really a fan of those action figures and stuff. Oh. I think this figure might redeem the Dragon Star stuff. Right here. Here he is out of the package. Hopefully this figure redeems it. I guess not, because that's weird. Very nice and stuff. Super Saiyan 4 in Dragon Ball, which people say GT is not canon, I will say it's canon in my opinion, but and Super Saiyan 4 gotta be one of my favorite transformations. I don't know what's my favorite one yet, because they're all really good and stuff. So, yeah. This is a lot better than Goten's. I'm gonna say that. Goten's, buddy, dude, you failed me. This figure is great. The hair, the stuff, but the ankles right here doesn't really like have any ankle pivot or anything. You can't move it. Like the ankle pivot, it gets me confused and stuff because, well, it's no ankle pivot actually. It's just it moves weird. The ankles move weird. It doesn't make your figure stand up good. But if you can see here, right here at the arm for like the fur. Whatever. I wish there was like a couple like black scapes and stuff to make it like the fur more reasonable and stuff. Like it had like shades or something like that. But yeah, and then the chest, the skin right here, it's a little bit too whitish to me, for me and stuff. Wish it was like a little bit tanned and stuff. Yeah. Let's see the accessories. Oh, there it is. You get a pair of fist hands from this guy. Technically, it's nothing different. It just fist hands and open hands. Yeah. Fist hands and open hands. That's technically everything's the same about the accessory stuff. Just wish they got more like accessories or like blast effects or aura effects, something like that. So it doesn't have to be like these hands and stuff. Let's go to the articulations first. Height can go up that far. Height goes down this far. Waist, you can swoop. That's another reason with these figures. They break the waist. They pop off really easily with the waist. Swivel all around, but sometimes it can pop. You see that's what happened if you go right there. You can move it back this far without popping it. Forward without popping it. You can tilt it that far down, that far here. You can move the tail all the way up as far as you can. It can go around if it wasn't for the hair. This far up for the shoulders. Butterfly joints. And then, I don't say, do you call these upper butterfly joints kind of thing? I call them upper butterfly joints. Hang on a second. Bicep swivel, very tight. Double elbow joints. Waist up and down. You can do a side wedge if you could get this part right here. What is it? See that line right there? That line? If you could get that right to the side, then you could do it like back and forth here. But no, that's one problem with that, kind of. You can get waist swivel here. Leg can go up this far front and this far back. Well, so close to doing a split. That'd be cool if it did a split. Vegeta, do split. It would have been. It's not really good knee joint. I'm pretty sure this is a double knee joint. No ankle, no calf swivel. Ankles, you can ankle pivot here. Wait, no. Yeah, ankle swivel right here, and then ankle swivel. Ankle pivot. What the frick? Bicep swivel. And yeah, ankle swivel. It's good. You can't move your gosh darn feet up or down, whatever. That's a disappointment. Now let's check the size comparison. Do I have my ruler? I say not. So let's try this light here. Pretty sure it's a 6-inch figure. Let's see. He is compared. This is him compared to the Negative Zone piece. This is the classic Negative Zone Spider-Man compared to the Marvel Legends Negative Zone Vintage Wave, whatever. Far From Home Spider-Man. Gosh dang it, Spider-Man. Why do you push him over? Well, it's not my fault. Oh, whatever. Gosh dang it. Okay. Stand. No. Stand. Okay. You tried, Spider-Man. You tried. Awesome. Sage. I can't say the word right, but Sage, Cybertron Wars Sage, Optimus Prime, Cybertron version, compared to Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta. Please, stand, Vegeta, please, Vegeta, please. Okay, there you go. And, actually, it's figure out Kaioken Goku, the new version. Marvel Legend Black Panther. And, symbiote Venom on his knees for no gosh dang reasons at all. NECA King of the Monsters 2019 Godzilla. Yes. Yeah. Dang. And, Series 1 Master Chief. Yeah. Pretty sure this figure is supposed to be 6-inch. I forgot where I put my ruler. Anyway, I told you a little bit of updates and stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks. Please leave a comment down below, and please subscribe. Hopefully I get my comment stuff working. Anyway, if I could get my comment stuff working, please leave a comment down below, and please subscribe. And if I could get my comment stuff working, tell me what action figures I should go next, or other stuff, and yeah, have an amazing day, and see you in the next video, which is going to be Friday, hopefully, if I get stuff ready.